Take little learners on an animal adventure as they learn reading, writing, and math skills. Fun animal facts, colorful illustrations, and audio read-alouds will motivate your child to practice important skills. An audio option engages children in listening and learning about animals. The audio read-alouds help to develop your child's literacy skills, including listening skills, reading fluency, and vocabulary. Animal-themed activities engage your child in learning alphabet letters and sounds, reading simple sentences, writing letters and words, counting and writing numbers, and simple addition. Animal crafts help children learn how to cut and glue and follow directions. Comprehension activities develop recall and vocabulary skills. Each book also includes colorful stickers, a poster project, and a fun animal matching game. Check out Listen and Learn Animals for grades pre-K through 1 today.